you always have to start with an insight. Ano ba talaga yung insight nyo into the customer? Sa Unilever, we sometimes spend 4-5 months just discovering ano ba yung talagang insight, yung problema na sinusolve natin. Sometimes kasi some of the business owners na-excite sa bagong technology, na-excite na maganda yung produkto, pero hindi nila alam ano ba talaga yung dahilan sa produkto na to. Ano ang sinusolve ko? What am I making it easier to the customer for? I think you have to ground it on that and build on that. Sometimes kasi na-excite lang na, ay pwede tong feature, ay pwede tong technology, ay ang ganda-ganda ng picture, baka bibilhin na nila.
Okay.
That will just get them attracted to it. Pero pag bibili sila, it's because it's solving something that they need. And sometimes they don't tell you what they need. You have to talk to them, observe them. You have to figure it out. You have to observe them, talk to them. Sa Unilever, we'd actually go to the houses of people. Kakusapin namin sila. And bibisitahin mo, titignan mo yung CR nila. Kasi sometimes yung sasabi nila, hindi talaga yung makikita mo dun eh. So you really have to do the customer work.